I love it.
That's a really good deal.
Holiday gift, Christmas gift.
This would be the best any gift, bar none.
Can I have the keys?
Wrap up the deals and wrap up the year in a new Chevy.
Current qualified competitive lessees can get a sign and drive lease on this Chevy Malibu Limited LT and get $1,000 lease cash on select Malibu vehicles in stock. See your Tri-State Chevy dealers.
Breaking news alerts and the hour-by-hour forecast from the Weather Authority. This is Local 12 News.
Good evening, everybody. An Anderson Township man in the fight of his life is now battling a pharmaceutical company.
His family says the life-saving drug keeping him alive is no longer available. Local 12's Perry Schaible is live in the newsroom with more on the struggle to save the young father's life. It is a story you are seeing first on Local 12 News. Perry.
Well, Paula, 30-year-old Brad Giesting has been to war before and come out on the other side. This Iraqi veteran spent a year overseas. Now back home, he's fighting a different opponent, cancer. Today, he had the final dose of a drug his family says is saving his life. The last few years have been a roller coaster ride for Brad and Annie Giesting and their 2 young daughters. Doctors diagnosed Brad in May 2013 with a rare and aggressive form of cancer, Lipo Sarcoma.
I don't know how he does it and stays so strong for everybody.
There were a series of treatments, good news, and then more heartbreak. Doctors found several tumors in his abdomen. So Brad joined a clinical trial at the James Cancer Hospital in Columbus. Every week for the last year and a half, he's made the drive up 71 for treatments, and it's been working.
He has one that they're measuring, and it's less than a centimeter, so it's small. But before we found this trial, when we were searching for, the next option or what to do next, the tumors that he had doubled in size in a matter of weeks.
The family thought the trial drug Morab was its miracle. But last week, with little notice, the pharmaceutical company Morphatec ended the trial. The drug working for Brad hadn't been working for enough people.
Never in a million years would I've imagined that this drug that's working for my husband is going to just, they're going to say, forget it, sorry about your luck.
Brad's doctors asked the company for a compassionate use, which would allow him to continue on the life-saving medication even though the trial no longer exists. His family and the hospital both say Morphatec denied that request. So now this man who put himself in danger for others is in danger himself. Well, Paul, it's certainly a tough story to hear, but one with a happy ending. I just got a message about an hour ago from Annie who said that she got word from Morphatec that the company will let Brad use the drug through January, and then they'll try to help figure out the next step. Guys, back to you.
That is huge. One step at a time, and that's a great step. Thanks, Perry.